That's me. Stop. Hold up. PMG.
Hey everybody, it's Benji, better known as Moiciara, and today I'm finally doing a mukbang, something I haven't done in probably about over a month. I want to get more consistent with these mukbangs, so please, 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 please bear with me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone who you know so they can watch my stuff. So first things first, I have the Popeyes fairly new old nuggets, as you can see. I got a biscuit because I really wanted a biscuit, y'all. Just really, yeah. And I got the, y'all know, the infamous hot and spicy sandwich. Let's see, because I've had this sandwich at least probably like 3 times and it never usually tastes good. I got some Cajun fries. I wish they would have put them in a bag versus this thing. I don't know. They put it in like a whole nother bag. This was real. You know, you cannot get food. This is like, what is 5 o'clock? You can't get food like this around this time. I'm gonna tell y'all how me ordering food is pretty much like the devil. And I'm telling you, something about me ordering food online, it just ain't never right. I got some Bayou buffalo sauce, and I got some blackened ranch. I've never had these from Popeyes before, so let's see what they giving. I'm gonna try to bring this back so you guys can kind of see a little bit. I have a little drinky drink right there because you know this is grown folks time, so we gotta have a grown folks drink. As you guys can see, I'm in complete pink get up because you know what, it's October, it's breast cancer awareness month, but it's also it's also a queen's birthday in a matter of days. So with that being said, I wanted to just go ahead and start doing some mukbang. These fries, they taste odd. They ain't like, you know, piping fresh hot, but it's cool. They must have some kids cooking, y'all. Y'all don't know me. I know everybody need a job. They gotta start somewhere. But baby, there's something about these young kids not being able to do what they need to do. Okay. The biscuit, y'all. People always make fun of Popeye's biscuit, talking about how dry they is. Wasn't nothing dry about that biscuit. Nothing. I just need another piece before I try these nuggets out. Like, I like bread, so okay. Let's open this up and see what this is giving. And I found they was doing some nuggets. I'm like, child, I don't know. It's alright. It's cute. It's cute. I like the outside though, because it gives off that chicken vibe. Even though these ain't nothing but some chopped up chicken tenders, y'all, but yeah, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's really this. And this was making it taste so good. Mm. 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 I'm trying to see. I need to move over some. I'm trying to get y'all the best, you know, little view. Let me try the fries, because you know, fries be tasting so good. And sauces. I love me a good sauce. Mm. 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 Let me try this one. I don't know why this like it was separating, but we about to see. Hey, value. Oh, we got that nice hot. Oh, it's about to be good. Okay. Yeah. It's like some Louisiana hot sauce, but mm, it's good though. What I will say about the nuggets, they are meaty. I got an 8 piece. Yeah, they are meaty. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I see I'm saying this up right. Mm. If y'all haven't watched my Married at First Sight, my reviews, please, pretty please go watch them as well. I know a lot of people love food. And so, boom. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Boom. That's spicy. Mm-hmm. You got that nice little come up in your nose. You know that's when it's hot. When it come up in your nose, you have to see I'm probably sweating a little bit. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, right up on my nose, like. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. I'm trying to think. The more I do mukbangs, so I try to find a topic to talk about too. Because I know sometimes talking about topic when you eating, and then trying to talk about something, it kind of get a little, you know, a little messed up. Then you get full, and then you over it. So yeah, I'm trying not. I don't want to be over it. Mm. 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 I'm gonna use some of that hot sauce. Or they Buffalo Bayou sauce. And they Louisiana hot sauce on the cup. You know. And I'm gonna do that. But I guess I'll briefly talk about my birthday since it's coming up. I said this last year in my video about October. Usually I was bringing like some bad news or whatever. Something just don't never be going right. And ain't nothing fairly going wrong this year. Now I had a little hiccup on the first. But yeah, it's a story time for another day. But other than that, everything else been fine. So I can't complain. And what I want to do for my birthday, I want to relax. I want to be in a place where my mind can relax. That's what I mean to say. Because my mind is always going. I'm sure I'm not the only person who suffers from that. Your mind's always going. And I want to kind of like figure out some ways to break that. So I can be comfortable and not have to be so in my head. Most Libras, we are. Because for one, we're people pleasers. So we're always thinking about all the ins and outs of everything, you know. And I don't have nothing against that, but because I don't mind, you know, I'm not a nasty person, so it's like I don't mind showing love and respect and stuff like that. But my birthday, I kind of just want to be not be in my own way. It's a big habit of doing that. So I really want to do that. Y'all give me a massage. I need to get back in the gym, like bad, because y'all don't understand. Like I was going, my sister, we was sitting there, and then baby, it was like this. I know it's not good. Because if anybody know me, gym is bad. Like, I don't have no issues with being in the gym. So, but yeah, it's a mental thing. I gotta work on that mental thing again. Now, I hope this little thing wasn't supposed to be it, because this is some popcorn chicken right here. Y'all, that hot sauce. It's the hot sauce for me. I'm working. I'm hot now. It's getting hot. Y'all know I got all these lights on me. It's like boom, boom. You know, so when I do my background and things, it can be, you know, looking right. So, now, see, I was gonna put some of this on here. Let's give it a whirl. I ain't gonna overdo it because I might not eat all this. I don't want it to marinate just yet. Mm. 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 That's when you know it's given. Like, mm. Mm. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to mix these. Huh? I ain't do that. And I ate most of the other sauce. Mm. 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 Yeah. Mm. 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 I'm sure I'm getting full. But I'm gonna finish too though. Cause you know how it is. When you get to the last a little something something and you be trying to save it and you be like, why did you try to say that? What were you doing? Mm. And it'd be pointless. Mm. 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 I was watching people's videos and baby, they will use about 15 paper towels in the bed. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, it's not that deep. Mm. 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 They probably left them the grease just a little longer. And go back to what I was saying about them kids working. Everybody gotta start somewhere. I know. I know. I know. I know. I definitely wasn't the best cook as a teenager. Nah. But damn. I was in the app when you order food. They had like a little thing saying, oh, seasoned veterans. Seasoned veterans work here, cooks here, whatever. So you'll know to order from that restaurant, so she can be right. But yeah, Shine. Mm. 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 Y'all notice my cat been quiet, right? Mm-hmm. And so y'all that's new to my channel, I don't drink prior to eating because it's not my thing. I don't like that because it fills you up faster. So I know you're like, damn, how you Eating that food. It's called control. Mm. This is good. This is good. So, I think I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm not sure, about me ordering food or whatever. I remember my last mukbang, I said I'm gonna stop ordering food, yada 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 yada. I know. So anyway, I decided to order through Yelp, Grubhub, whatever you want to call it. uh, uh. So I do that right. I'm gonna try to make this story short because I really don't want this video to be 30 minutes. So I got my fan right here too, y'all. So excuse me, I found myself. Okay, so anyway, I ordered my food last night from this pizza place. So my order came. They didn't notify me. So I'm sitting here waiting for my order. Nothing shows up, nothing comes, and then it's almost like to the closing hour or whatever. Excuse me, y'all. It's all right. My order comes. I'm not notified. I call them to find out what happened. The man was like, oh, he probably came and dropped off the food probably about 30 minutes ago. I'm like, oh, okay. So why wasn't I notified? I'm like, in the app, it's still saying it's delivery taking longer, whatever. The young man told me that there was nothing he could do, and this is what triggered me because I'm like, I can't tell you how to do your job, but don't try to play me. So this is what you should do. It's either, you got two options here. Either you give me a refund, or you can get my order and they can send it right back out, or I can come up there to get my order. It's late. They was open late. Don't matter. So he was like, you have to call Grubhub, contact them, yada, yada, yada. I'm like, okay, I'll do that. I called them. I was on the phone with the Grubhub customer support, whatever. No more than 2 minutes. They refunded me, gave me $15 back for a gift card or whatever, you know, for my services and stuff. And boop, just like that. And of course, I didn't call that restaurant back trying to get no place, replace the order. No. Mm-mm. So I'm like, I haven't learned to stop placing orders from these places where they don't put customer service high like they claim or should be doing. Let me say that. So how they should be doing. So yeah. Yeah, I'm so full. It's crazy because I didn't think I was gonna be full from that meal, but I'm full. Cause y'all know how food can be sometimes. It might be looking like it might fill you up, and then it don't fill you up, and then you're like, okay. So on that note, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, y'all.